It's a new boot goofing kind of place. This place is huge. This is really cool. Clearance, well, don't mind about. Well. Ooh, genuine ostrich. You get some crocodile. Now I would get this, but it has a ponytail. I'm too stupid and fat for ponytail. Whoa. I have big dumb idiot size ones here. Look at this. That's kind of cool. Bunch of stuff, all that for horses and all that whatnot. Cool. Bunch of different ones. Figured out I'm too fat for any of this. And I'm not fat, I just got big old feet. Yeah. 13 couldn't fit me, I had to get 14s. And there's not that many, so we don't know what I'm doing yet. Well, these kind of new but goofing up here though. Oh my goodness. Holy crap. A Jackson boot. This boot's too small for anyone like myself. They do look kind of ballin'. These are pretty rad. But I had to get some brown ones. Ooh, there's some cool yellow ones. Now, I wouldn't mind if they got some blue suede boots. I'd get those in a heartbeat. But I'm looking for mostly brown ones. Because, you know, all that whatnot. Mostly because I got black ones already. So, and all that. And you know, oh, hey, these are pretty good. I should go look at the hats while I'm at it. Well. I can be like a real cowboy. I just make everything for small, diminutive cowboys. The Mexicans. Yeah, I will say. They got some cool stuff in here. It's unfortunate that I'm just too large in every capacity. I ain't even just me being fat. It's also that I have too big a head, got too big of feet. I'm just too big. I'm too powerful. I'm so powerful I can't even be a cowboy. Truly a fate worse than death. That being said, I think I'd be pretty ballin' if I could pull off that, you know? I think so. Oh my God. Oh, look at that. Now that's powerful right there. Once again, not designed for fat folk, but powerful. Alright, so we gotta, yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I think I misheard the song. I swear it said I hit me. I'm just trying to hit you like I love you. I don't think I agree with this song. I don't think it's okay. Anyway, that's probably done up here. Didn't get anything. No new boot goofing for today. This is a false new boot goofing zone. Cringe, even a cringe zone. What is that? It's cool. No fat people allowed. Now we're gonna go to the gun show. Wee. Nondescript house. I mean, hungry. Oh my. Oh. Yeah. Oh, that's pretty close, right? Really cool Arasaka here. This couchette is gone unless I don't remember what it's supposed to be. I don't remember which one. It's not an earlier one, so. But really cool special Western there, probably 38. Is it 38? Yeah, it's 38 special. That's really cool. Oh, school shooter guns. These are all really cool. Shotgun, it's like an auto. It's a great pump. Okay. There's a P90 over there. That's really cool. That's a fancy Smith & Wesson. A short carbine. Really cool collection of bayonets. Really nice collection of them. It looks like a Chassepot one, but I doubt it is. Clancy boots. Also, look at those firearm ones. Oh, how kooky. And so that one guy sells all knives. I always say I do like all these. Nice little 30-30. I was hoping, maybe probably Winchester of some sort. I don't see anything on it, so I don't know. Oh, sweet wampa. Yeah, oh, that's kind of goofy. That's really cool. BB guns. I don't know if that one sounds. What the hell? Goofy thing. What the hell? Ruby ass man-made fire one spear. What the holy crap? Magic shuriken. That pistol grip pump at my lap at all times. Dumb, stupid idea. Idiot, dumb idea. Oh. What was it? That's fun. That's just goofy. I kind of love it though. Free thinkers when they're in AR. Look at that cool snare leg. Anyway, did they ever hop this? What? Military ordnance? What if I do? Well. This is all I need for the kill to go. Whoa, wait. Oh, look, an MP9. A P90. There we go. One down. Oh, I can't remember the name. I'm dumb. Oh, that's really cool. It's on here. How much it cost? $100. Oh, never mind. You can use it. That Springfield trap door right here, which is really cool. How you doing? I'm doing good, sir. How are you? What's featherweight as well. Oh, but I appreciate your time at least. Hey, that's not what I was talking about.
What's that?
So I was talking to my mother about these, the Carcano
Now, I do have the full-length rifle too.
Yeah, I was looking at that too.
So I got the full-length rifle, I got the carbine. I only got one carbine, but I do have. And I do have ammo for it. You get an end-block clip with it, so you can actually shoot it. Shoot it more than once.
You mind if I take this and look at it?
Go ahead. Can't tell much about without pulling it out.
Now, I will say I love these because they're a little. You mind if I pull this on?
That's got the early bayonet release on it. So I think that's 1912.
Yeah.
It would have been in World War I and World War II.
That's really cool.
So you got basically, they were on the Allies in World War I, and then
the Axis phone. Phone died. You leave. Look at that cool Maserati though. Anyway, stopped by the Walmart. Yeah, I would like walking around Walmart. It's fun. You can see goofy clothes like that. Or goofy in the small clothes and all that. A bunch of goofy ass people. It's fun. Lime. Anyway, but gay ice cream. Look at this thing at school. They got oatmeal ice cream. They got the Mexican ice cream and then queer ice cream. The ATST was not approved. Goodbye, sweet thing. Hey, well, look at those other ice cream. Gay. They got Le Catara here. Very good. Only $6. They have emergency exits now, only. So I gotta go walk my old ass around there, which is not that big of a deal, but more annoying than anything. I just saw a whole loaf of bread in someone's front seat, just sitting there in the sun. Like, just a whole loaf. Not like covered, just like really artisan, fancy looking stuff. Just sitting there. Maybe it was its car and I'm just being rude, Well, back in the car, and I get to sit here and die of heat stroke. That's pretty fun.